Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive M Sport Edition in Alpine White. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive M Sport Edition in Alpine White. I've just pressed unlock on the key. We've got the kidney grille lit up. We've got the DRLs on. And if I go ahead with the key, press and hold panic for 1 second, we can get the full pathway lighting on that displays the full low beam lighting system. So let me do a lap all the way around this vehicle. And again, this is an M Sport Edition, so this is a special edition that has a bunch of different packages and gives you better residuals and whatnot. So great value. Comes in white, Brooklyn, and black, which is typically the three colors you can normally find on our M Sport Editions. So let's take a closer look at all the details. We got Alpine White. This is a uni non-metallic color, and of course the no charge paint color. But we've got the lines up front, another swooping line coming off the A pillar. And we've got the BMW rondelle here. I don't know how much longer we're gonna see this rondelle when it gets replaced. And we have the new style kidney grille that does illuminate, which we call the iconic glow. And it has the crisscross vertical and diagonal slats with the active grille shutter just here at the bottom. And you can see down here, there's more vents, the split double chin, and these are also active grille shutters here at the bottom too. You can see we have the front-facing camera, which tells us right away that this has the 360 cam option. And we also have some functional air ducts going into the wheel wells. But overall, front end looks great. And if you've ever seen one of these pulling up behind you at nighttime, it looks crazy. Now, if we take a closer look at the headlights, we have the BMW LED headlights in here. And you can see we've got the double stacked L-shape headlight. Got all these little lines in here as well, which is cool. And with full low beam system on, looks real good. Now, if we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 20-inch 887M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake there. And you can see that because this is M Sport Edition, we also have the body colored rocker panel with the welcome light carpet, the M welcome light carpet, which is just down here. It's kind of hard to see because it's so bright in here. We also have body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera. We also have the glass roof up top with the black roof rails. And if we do a little side profile view here, you'll see that we have the black window surrounds. Back windows are also polarized, so a bit darker. We also have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front door handles here. And there's your rear 887M wheel with the red caliper. We have the Hofmeister kink. We have a new style antenna underneath this red bow. Yes, this one is sold. And we also have the spoiler here. And if we step back a little further, you'll see that we have the X-shaped tail lights, which are currently illuminating. And on the side here, you'll see that we have more of those crisscross patterns that are kind of reminiscent of the front grille. And we have BMW lit up here as well. We have the vertical reflectors on each side. We also have the BMW rondelle and X330 badging. Down here, we actually have a tow hitch, and there's no visible exhaust from the back, just a big rear diffuser. And down here, you'll see that there is the muffler with the single exit there. Now, since I'm at the back of the car, I have the key with me. Press and hold the tailgate release button. So once that opens up, you'll see inside we have a cargo cover, which you can pull out to hide your contents. If you'd like to remove that cargo cover, there's a button on each side that can be pressed. And once you see orange on each side, this is loose, so you can pull it out. It is one-handable. And once you pull it out, there would be a space underneath here that it could be stored in if you don't have the optional spare. And those are the carpeted mats, tire inflator kit plus, wheel lock key, tow hook, have a designated place in this car, box with the original bolts. And to put this back into place, you just move this forward until you don't see red on either side. We also have the 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger. We have another grocery bag hanger here that can actually be used to prop this up. But you'll notice if you move this high enough, it can just be propped up on its own. And if I put this back down, you'll see up top we have a button to close, another one to close and lock. So let's just press close for now. So if you have the tow hitch in our market, you cannot do the kick. It deletes the sensor for it. Now on the passenger side, we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click to open the cap. There's a little spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. Now if I go ahead and open that rear door, you'll see that we have the Black Veganza interior inside. We also have the rear sunshades, the new color on the door pull, Harman Kardon sound system, high gloss black here and on the window switch, some ambient light is here, door pocket down here. And you can see that we've got some illumination underneath the front seats with some vents. We have the black Alcantara Veganza M seats with the M tricolor stitching here. Alcantara on the headrest with some contrast stitching. We also have an armrest in the center here with the cup holders. And up top here, there's a button you can press that pulls down the center pass-through, just like so. And up top, we also have the handle, coat hanger, lights. We have microphones for Bluetooth. And we also have some vents, rear climate controls with heated seats in the 2 outer positions, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and we also have the pockets on the back of each seat as well. So let's shut this door and we'll go to the front door next. All right, so if we approach from the passenger door, open that up, you'll see again we have the M welcome light carpet. We also have some ambient light here, new door pull, opener close vent, unlock lock, window switch, Harman Kardon sound system, big deep door pocket, door panel looks sweet, aluminum M dorsal, full power seat with lumbar, under the thigh extension here, and you can see these seats also have the Alcantara and the M tricolor stitching. And we have soft touch materials on the dash, some stitching going up and across. You have more of those crisscross patterns up here as well. And there's a button down here to open your illuminated glove box. We have the curved display with iDrive operating system 9. And down here we've got a wireless charger with a vent that cools down your phone, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, there's your cup holders, and we've got the ambient light going around what we call the jewel box. We have the glass iDrive controller and the glass push start button, gear selector, volume wheel, and blue contrast stitching on the center console cover with a 12-volt plug in there. So let's shut this up and we'll go to the other side next. Now if we open the driver door, on the inside here you'll see that we have unlock lock, memory seats on the driver's side, door pull, Harman Kardon at the top here, all your window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release, and down here we also have some more cup holders, aluminum M dorsal, there's a yellow microfiber here. We have full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, and up top, glass roof, there's a giant bowl on top, and we have the flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, black marker at 12 o'clock. We have the head-up display. And up top here, we also have the interior camera. We also have the interior lighting. And underneath the rearview mirror, there are 3 buttons to attach to 3 different garage doors. The visor comes down and the light turns on or off with the mirror. And the visor can come out, but it also extends here as well. So now that we've had a chance to look in here, let's look down here. And it's not readily visible, but under here you can pull it down. It's 2 pulls for the hood release. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo, 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We got positive battery terminal, we got negative battery terminal, and we got your washer fluid over here with the nice strut bars going across. And of course, BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just throw it down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. And we can get a few longer range shots. I'm starting to see these X3s everywhere, which is nice. And especially at night, the lighting looks crazy. So how do you like the X3 M Sport Edition in Alpine White? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive M Sport Edition in Alpine White with the black interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.